the commutator finally gets a Joy-Con controller with an appropriate D-pad, courtesy of Hori Accessories Company, according to 4Gamer through Kotaku. The Hori D-pad Joy-Con replaces the left Joy-Con controller on the Switch. It looks more or less identical on the outside to the Nintendo controller, replacing the 4 face buttons with a directional pad. It is an accessory that makes a lot of sense for the Switch, which does not have a D-pad in the bottom left unlike almost all other controllers, including the Nintendo Pro controller itself, due to the fact that Joy-Con controllers do not connect. You need the separate buttons to function as a single controller. The Hori controller actually has some limitations compared to the Nintendo controller. Apparently it can only be used in portable mode, it lacks the hidden buttons of official Joy-Con controls, and does not have an accelerometer, gyro sensor, or features of vibration. But the main reason why you want this is to have better control of the portable game, so it seems a negotiable solution. If those features are really essential, there is always the option to modify your Switch with a D-pad and a custom casing like this one from Baztop, although note that the replacement is apparently quite complicated and will void the warranty. According to 4Gamer, the Hori D-pad controller Joy-Con will cost 2,678 yen, approximately $25.36, when it is launched in July.